I always tell my students that if they want to actually master how to trade very well, they should just start with $10. That $10 is for you to master the market features and be able to understand what you are doing. And the question that I ask, or they even ask me back, is how will they be able to make more money if they are just starting with $10? And the simple answer that I give them is, you are just mastering, you are just trying to start up something. I don't think you should read so much when you are just starting something that you had no idea about. And you can even add up more money later if you want, or you leverage on that $10 capital and you build it, or you build on it and make more money out of that $10. So what I did is to just become a student of my own by myself and see what I can do for myself. So from October to November, I've been able to start trading with just $20. And I did it so that I can make this video and show you that there's a proof that you can actually do the same thing that I just did and make money for yourself. I told you guys, from now to the end of this December, you are taking my signals for free. So far as you are in my Telegram channel or even this OKS team, you can see we have a team over here on OKS. I'll be leaving all the links inside the video description and the comment section so that you'll be able to join all the teams for free. And all that you have to do is just learn how to take the signals. The signal taking video is also in the video description. Just tap on it and you'll be able to take my signals anytime I give it. So from October till now, I've been able to start trading with just $20. So I want to show you how it went and how you'll be able to make money out of it. So after watching this video, you should be able to sign up your account on OKS and you start receiving my signal. So it is very important that you use my referral code and register on OKS so that you can be registered under me and you join this team. But if you already have an OKS account, then there's no problem. Maybe you can just click on it and see if it works. If it works, just deposit some money and you'll be able to do the same thing that I will be doing inside this video. So that's actually very cool. Now, I'll be taking you back to October. So let me just filter this. This is my history. So I'll just go back to 30 days time so that we see what's happened there. So I'll scroll to the bottom here and we see the past. So let us just look at this. This is November. Yeah, so November, and that's where we are starting from. So when I started with a very low money. So whenever you are starting with just $10, I always advise you guys to just use $1 per trade or 1.5. That's the maximum you can use. Do not overdo. There was a time, I don't want this video to be so long, but there was a time when we started this teamwork over here on OKS. Let me just go back there and open this. When we started this, another guy was complaining that he actually traded my signal, and then with just $10, he has lost the trade. When the trade went against us a little bit, he has lost the $10. And I investigated, and I later got to realize that he used 4 point something and even more than that, and that was why he lost the account. So that was what happened. So with the proof over here, there's nothing that you guys need to worry about. You just go according to the instructions and you are good to go. You can see myself, this is $200. This is 200% profit that I got from a single trade. Okay, when you look at this, let me check to see if I can show you how much I use. So 200%, that would just probably mean I use around $1 or $1.5 on a single trade, even though I had $20 inside my account, and $200 of 200% of that gave me 3.62. So that's just 2 times of my money. So probably I use 1.5 or 1.6. That's how come I got this result right here. Then the second trade, you can see it over here, 176% profit and gave me 4.78. That means I am getting small money, so I'm adding up the margin or the cost. The cost of the margin is how much you are risking per trade. You have your capital, which is $20, according to what I am doing over here, and I am using just $2, 1.5, 1.6. But more as I am making more money, I am increasing it. If I make the money up to $30, then I should be able to use $3 or $2. I always advise my people, whenever you have money inside your account, use the maximum you can use should be 4% or 5% of your account to trade. If you are shorting, listen very well, if you are selling any token or you are shorting, do not use more than I mean, do not use your usual margin or your usual cost that you're using. Make sure you reduce it, because market tends to fluctuate very well and go down more sharply than it going up. Listen to that again. Market goes down more fast than it goes up. So whenever you are selling or you are buying, make sure to, whenever you are shorting, make sure you lower your cost, because anything can happen at any time. I hope you understand. So let's move to the next one, where I got 5.26 US dollars. And then the next one, I'm just winning, okay? So the next one, I got 11.36 or 36, that's 300% profit. The next one, I got $5 again, and that's actually very cool. The next one, I got $10. So we are just going. If you guys have been with us for some time now, you notice that we have had about 21 trades currently, and we won 200. Sorry, we had 21 trades right now, and then we won 20 of them, and we lost only one. We lost just one. So I'm going to show you all of it right now. And this is not my actual trading account. I'll be showing you that one too, if I want to. So we have the next one, which is giving us, so we lost this one. Not that we actually lost, I was closing it at entry. So $0.4. 40 cents is not, that's not even a loss. So the next one, BTC, and that is 0.73 profit. That's not even money. Solana 0.86, we won it, but that's not money. I don't calculate those less ones as money. Okay, so the next one, BTC, we got 8.36, is going up. Okay, and then the next one, we got 5.92, and that is 119% profit. The next one, BIT USDT, we got 5.27. The next one again, and then we lost some of the money. So by this time, we have made about, when you make the calculation from October added to this one, we would have made almost getting to $100, and then we lost $34. And this one, it was actually my mistake. We were in profit. If you guys remember, guys, so it was even supposed to be a podcast where I'll be asking people who take the signal so that they will explain to you what actually happened that day. Because we were in profit by 180 or even, yes, 185% profit. Then I went to sleep. I didn't even know. I don't know how I slept. I just went off. And before I woke up, I seen this, and then I got so pissed that why did I take the profit and I allowed it to go to this extent? And the reason why it went up this high was because I was adding up more position. That is one of the most dangerous things that you'll be doing as a trader, especially a crypto trader. Stop adding more positions, because it's deadly, especially when you don't have more money inside your account. If you want me to explain the adding more position, I can also do that. If you want me, just drop it down in the comment section. I will get back and maybe make another video to explain it to you. So the next one, we lost that. Okay, so the next thing, I made another $12. Okay, look at it. And then the next one, $5, $12, 14, and we are just going 1.4, 30, and the money is just going. You guys can see the money is just going, and we lost just one. Okay, so $30, 35, and 14. Now, after I made this 14, you know what I did? I went to OKS, and then I withdrew this money from this place. This is Gate.io. So I withdraw from here and then send it to OKS so that we can start this group trading over here. And everything went very, very well. I trade on Binance sometimes. I trade on Gate.io sometimes. And also I trade on OKS. OKS is my main trading platform. That's why I wanted to sign up. And then you join this team over here, you make the money together. So totally, we have been able to make 21 trades, and we lost just one, winning 20. What I did, or what you are supposed to do right now, is to be taking our signals. And how do you take the signals? If you are new, all that you have to do is just join or watch our videos inside the video description, and you'll be able to get started immediately after watching this video. So it's actually very cool. When you go there, you'll be able to meet videos that will teach you how you'll be able to register your account on OKS, how you'll be able to deposit money, how you'll be able to open your trading account or your futures wallet, how you'll be able to deposit money to your futures wallet, how you'll be able to take my signals, how you'll be able to close it, and how you'll be able to share results in these channels and groups that we have for ourselves. So as I'm saying, you can equally do it from $10 to $20 or any amount. So with this $20, I've been able to expand it or even increase it to over $500. It's not something that many people do. There was a time that I made another video where I used $1. I increased $1 to $100. Yes, I think $100 or more. And it was very much impressive. I always teach my people, if you are raising or you have small accounts and you are raising it's just testing your patience, and you will be able to do bigger things with bigger money.